Groundnuts. Enjoy a pride of position in India's agricultural economy, ranking among the top 3 producers and exporters of groundnuts in the world. Our sweet and crunchy nuts, having enhanced shelf life, are a preferred choice of major global markets. India grows its groundnuts during the monsoons, from June to October. The crop is harvested mainly by our small and medium landholders using traditional seeds. India doesn't grow any GM variety of groundnuts. Their harvests, however, get processed using advanced technologies. India uses state-of-the-art machinery to process groundnuts, which follows the principle of GMP, integrated with HACCP. The process adopted requires either no or bare minimum human touch. Quality control begins even before procurement. Market stocks are inspected for wholesomeness, pest infestation, moisture, free fatty acids and aflatoxin contents. These selected stocks go through a stringent pre-cleaning regimen to remove extraneous matters. This is followed by decortication that converts intact pods into a mixture of whole and split kernels. Sound, mature kernels are sorted out by rejecting shell pieces, immature and split kernels, and unbroken pods. Further impurities, if any, gets removed at the main line by metal detectors and destoners. Discolored kernels with high contents of harmful aflatoxin are sidelined in the color sorting machines. The mainline produce is packaged for customers who demand products untouched by human hands. For other importers, the discolored kernels left over in the color-sorted material are handpicked and removed by the trained workers. This product is practically free from discolored, broken or split kernels. Blanched groundnuts are prepared by subjecting the kernels to a draft of hot air over a perforated metallic conveyor belt. Immediately afterwards, these are exposed to air at ambient temperature to facilitate rapid cooling. After their skins get removed by a process of abrasion, the partially or unblanched kernels are sorted out by handpicking. Depending on consumer specifications and demands, groundnuts are packaged in bags of various dimensions and materials. The packaged products are stacked on plastic pallets in well-aerated spaces. For export, the bags are loaded into clean containers lined with corrugated paper. If the customer desires, they may also be fumigated. For stuffing a refrigerated container, the bags are first cooled in a controlled temperature warehouse maintained at 12 to 15 degrees Celsius. The production buildings where groundnuts are processed in India are built and maintained with strict quality norms. The well-lighted and cautiously designed infrastructure ensures total cleanliness and prevents pest attacks. A wide separation is maintained between the arrival point of raw material and the dispatch point of finished goods. Our workers are meticulously trained to maintain high standards of hygiene. They follow a strict set of behavioral do's and don'ts. The production floor has prominent displays of cautions and warnings, and toilets are placed outside the main processing space. To control pests, we use yellow sticky papers, rodent traps, and UV insect traps. Both the stocks and warehouse get periodically fumigated. In export quality and food safety standards, India has a no-compromise policy. Labs recognized by IOPEPC draw random samples from ready-to-ship consignments. They oversee the stuffing of the containers to issue a stuffing certificate. Without this, IOPEPC will not issue a certificate of export. While the Indian Oilseeds and Produce Export Promotion Council functions as a friend, philosopher and guide to all stakeholders. Government of India's Directorate of Groundnut Research provides technological backstopping to the groundnut industry. India recognizes its growth potential in groundnuts. Our dedication to purity of harvest and assurance of high-tech infrastructure confirms our desire to take it to the next levels of excellence. India is committed to delivering groundnuts of the highest quality to consumers across the globe. Today, our groundnut industry is poised to attaining far greater heights.